How to find a channel on Telegram. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the top and tap on Search. In the search bar, type in the name of the channel you are looking for. For example, Business. Then, go to the Channels section. From here, tap on the channel you want. You can view the channel messages over here. If you want to join this channel, then tap on Join at the bottom. You can repeat this to search for other channels that you are looking for as well. Following these steps, you can easily find a channel on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.